Welcome to the sweet world of baking. From beautifully decorated cakes to heartfelt handwritten messages, it all begins here, in a modern production line with cutting-edge technology. A strict and meticulous production process places food safety and hygiene at the forefront. Right from the start of their shift, every baker must adhere to rigorous hygiene standards. Every hand is thoroughly washed to remove dirt and bacteria, then covered with armor, special gloves, to ensure absolute cleanliness in every step of the process. To create delicious cakes, fresh eggs are an essential ingredient. With advanced technology, eggs are cracked accurately and quickly. To ensure each cake reaches perfection, modern technology steps in with a high-speed, precise egg-cracking machine. In the blink of an eye, the eggs are freed from their shells and ready to be mixed into a smooth batter, creating the wonderful flavor of the cake. Every step begins with careful preparation. The ingredients for the cake, such as flour, eggs, and sugar, are carefully selected to ensure the highest quality. All these are poured into large mixing machines where the magic begins, combining technology with the skill of the bakers. The flour, eggs, and sugar blend together in the machine's kneading process, creating a smooth, soft mixture that promises to produce delicious cakes. The world of pastries is a vibrant universe full of colors and flavors, where every cake is a symphony of taste and a living, colorful masterpiece ready to captivate your senses. To cater to the diverse tastes of customers, bakers continuously innovate, offering an endless variety of mouth-watering options. Sweet, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate, refreshing, gentle matcha green tea with its light green color and subtle fragrance, blueberry cakes with a dreamy purple hue and their signature sweet tart flavor, luscious ripe red strawberry cakes that are irresistibly sweet, or zesty lemon cakes with a perfect balance of sour and sweet to awaken your taste buds. All of this is waiting for you to experience. What flavor would you like your next birthday cake to be? Leave a comment below and you might find others who share the same taste as you. After the cake batter is carefully poured into the round molds, you'll notice tiny air bubbles inside the batter. To ensure the cake comes out firm and doesn't have air pockets after baking, the workers will grab the molds and give them a firm tap on the table. Smart ovens maintain a stable temperature, baking fluffy, golden cakes. After baking, the cakes pass through an automatic cutting machine, which divides them into 3 or 4 even layers, ready for decoration. The workers are carefully placing each freshly baked hot cake onto the conveyor belt, handling them gently as if afraid of breaking these delicious works of art. Watching the colorful cakes move along the belt, everyone feels a sense of joy and excitement. It's a sign of a productive day ahead, filled with the promise of more delicious batches to come. Cutting the cakes into layers allows us to add delicious fillings with a variety of flavors between each layer. For example, Soft, fluffy sponge cake layers might alternate with rich, creamy fillings, sweet and tart strawberry jam, or fragrant pudding layers. This not only enhances the cake's appearance, but also creates a perfect harmony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. To create the perfect frosting for cakes, we start by carefully selecting ingredients like butter, sugar, milk, vanilla, and water to ensure freshness and quality. All ingredients are precisely measured according to a secret recipe, then mixed together in a large machine. The mixture is beaten and stirred until it's smooth, creamy, and light, forming soft peaks that are ready to coat the cake, creating an irresistible appearance and delicious flavor. Now the fun part begins. The smart robotic arms smooth on the vanilla frosting, followed by a rich layer of chocolate ganache. These intricate designs are created with just a few automated movements, yet they still look as if they were made by hand. These robotic arms can also apply a smooth, perfect layer of frosting with impeccable precision. Thanks to their attention to detail, they can create cakes in countless shapes and designs, from simple, elegant to intricate and dazzling, meeting every customer's request. These robotic arms are as skilled as professional bakers. They can easily shape a cake with high precision, from simple shapes like round, square, or rectangular, to more complex ones like hearts, stars, or even adorable animal shapes. I call these robotic arms artisans, swiftly decorating cakes that move at high speed on the conveyor belt. It's truly amazing. Not only do they draw every tiny detail with precision, but they also keep up with the conveyor's speed, never missing a beat or smudging anything. Intricate designs appear on the cakes in the blink of an eye. This is the perfect blend of modern technology and the art of cake decorating. Have you seen the beautifully decorated cakes with macaron accents? From spiraling patterns to fruit designs, every detail is created with perfect accuracy and boundless creativity. Imagine a miniature sweet cake city where everything runs smoothly and precisely. In this city, the modern production lines stretch like roads, transporting ingredients and cakes everywhere. The robotic arms work tirelessly, kneading dough, whipping cream, baking, decorating. Every step is magically automated. And the result? Every day, this sweet cake city produces up to 10,000 cakes of all kinds, with delicious flavors and beautiful designs. Hard to believe, right? That's the power of advanced technology, helping us create miracles. This factory is like a super chef with all the skills, not only making delicious cakes, but also handling every kind of baked good you can think of. Rich and creamy cheesecakes, freshly baked bread, or any type of pastry you can imagine, this super chef can whip them up in no time. The secret lies in the state-of-the-art machinery and an optimized production process. Each type of cake has its own recipe, and the super chef follows it precisely and carefully, ensuring every bite is packed with perfect, delicious flavor. What sets this machine apart is its ability to write personalized messages on each cake. Instead of using pre-printed, boring text, this machine can handwrite meaningful messages just for the recipient. From simple greetings like "Happy Birthday" to sweet, heartfelt words, every message is written with care and precision on the cake's surface. The recipient will surely be surprised and delighted by this special gift. The cake isn't just delicious. It's filled with love and thoughtfulness from the giver. If today is a special day for you, the day you were born, leave a message below this video. I'll send you the best wishes, filled with joy and happiness. Consider it a small gift, a special birthday wish from me to you. Cakes today are no longer just about traditional flavors. Fresh, vibrant fruits have been cleverly incorporated, creating cakes that are not only visually stunning, but also uniquely fresh and flavorful. Slices of ripe banana or plump blueberries are artfully arranged on a smooth layer of white frosting. The sweet, tart taste of the fruit blends perfectly with the rich creaminess, creating a delightful symphony for the taste buds. As a child, who didn't dream of walking into a bakery where fresh, delicious cakes are made every day? Now standing before this modern process, I feel like I'm reliving that dream. A dream of a sweet world where joy and creativity know no bounds. Every cake is a work of art, infused with the love and passion of the bakers. Let these cakes bring smiles and joy to every special occasion in your life.